You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. Tackling Specimen Paper 2, Question 1, First Language English, Writing, Examination from 2027. This tutorial includes step-by-step guidance on directed writing, focusing on writer's attitude and article writing. Watch the video until the end without skipping any parts to gain a comprehensive understanding. If you find the tutorial helpful, remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, click the bell button to be notified when a new video is released. From section A, directed writing, question 1A is a writer's attitude question worth 5 marks. First, read the question carefully and identify its focus. It is about the writer's attitude to work. If the writer's name is mentioned in the prompt, as in Jazz, you need to use it in your response. This question is aligned with the reading standards 3 and 4, which assess students' ability to analyze, evaluate, and develop facts, ideas, and opinions using appropriate evidence from the text, and to demonstrate how writers achieve effects and influence readers. The response should include references to at least 5 attitudes, each supported by evidence based on the focus of the question. Read the text to annotate the relevant details, number them, and identify the attitude expressed so that it fits the required structure. Examiners are instructed that alternative correct answers and unexpected approaches in the candidate's scripts must be awarded marks that fairly reflect the relevant knowledge and skills demonstrated. Nonetheless, the content must be clearly related to and derived from the passage. Detail 1 shows that the writer is hardworking. Detail 2 states that he is competitive. Detail 3 shows that he is ambitious. Detail 4 provides further evidence that he is competitive. Detail 5 indicates that he is focused. Detail 6 again demonstrates that he is competitive. Detail 7 suggests that he feels unfairly treated. Detail 8 shows that he is motivated. Detail 9 indicates that he is anxious. Detail 10 suggests that he is ruthless and determined. Your final response should be similar to one of these 2 examples. Examiners use the following marking criteria to assess your responses out of 5 marks for reading. From section A, directed writing, in question 1B, you are expected to use, develop, and evaluate the information in the texts to create a discursive article. Read the question carefully and understand what it is asking. Breaking down the writing prompt is beneficial for understanding the task. A helpful approach is to consider 3 W's. What style of writing are you creating? An article. Why are you writing? The purpose is to advise young people who are about to join the workplace. Who is your audience? Young people. The topic of discussion is the workplace. Remember to use your own words in your response. Using your own words does not simply mean paraphrasing the detail. Instead, it means developing the detail into a more generalized idea. Once you understand the task, focus on the bullet points that outline what to include in your article. Bullet point 1 outlines different attitudes to teamwork and competition. Bullet point 2 deals with the challenges young people might face and the best ways to deal with them. Stay within the word limit. This question tests reading assessment objectives which assess students' ability to understand explicit and implicit meanings, develop ideas using appropriate textual support, and use information purposefully. Writing assessment objectives which assess students' ability to articulate and organize ideas, and to use vocabulary, structure, and language appropriately for a specific purpose. Your response should begin with a headline of 5 words that aligns with the article's topic, written in all caps: Young Talent Reshaping the Workplace. This should be followed by a subline that addresses the focus of bullet point 1, balancing collaboration and competition, and the focus of bullet point 2, overcoming workplace obstacles. Then include a byline in initial capitals that identifies the author of the article, for example, Harry D'Souza, with a tagline, for example, freelancer. The first sentence of the introduction should address the audience, young people, with a hook, an attention grabber, for example, are eager to step into the professional world. The second sentence should indicate the style of writing article and the topic, young people who are about to join the workplace. Each response to a bullet point should include a subheading that addresses its focus, written in initial capitals. A topic sentence that reflects the article style and addresses the bullet point. 7 to 8 distinct details analyzed, evaluated, and developed into facts, ideas, and opinions using appropriate support from the text and introduced with suitable transitions. Your response should end with the conclusion that reflects the style of writing and summarizes the key focus of the bullet points. Read the text and annotate the relevant details for bullet point 1. Outline the different attitudes to teamwork and competition people may have. Detail 1 from text A, lines 2 and 3 can be analyzed, evaluated, and developed as: healthy competition is motivated by recognition linked to individual performance. Detail 2 from lines 5 and 6 can be developed as: being part of an effective team makes people happier. Detail 3 from lines 8 and 9 can be developed as: teamwork is seen as the foundation of success, encouraging people to share ideas, support one another, and celebrate collective achievements. Continue to annotate the text for relevant details. Detail 4 from lines 13 and 14 can be developed as: collaboration is worth the investment because it draws on a wider range of skills and perspectives. Detail 5 from lines 16 and 17 can be developed as: collaboration can also result in better performance as people who feel valued are more likely to produce improved outcomes. Detail 6 from lines 19, 20 and 21 can be developed as: the era of the collective workplace reflects a more modern approach with teamwork seen as increasingly important. Continue to annotate the text for relevant details. Detail 7 from text B, line 4 can be developed as: competition motivates employees and can push people to work harder, innovate, and take pride in their achievements. Your response to bullet point 1 should be structured as follows: subheading, a topic sentence that addresses bullet point 1, developed details 1 to 7 presented with appropriate transitions. Reread the text and annotate the relevant details for bullet point 2. Explain some of the challenges young people might face in different kinds of workplaces and how best to deal with them. Detail 1 from text A, lines 4 and 5 can be developed as: negative environments, neglect, and rigid schedules can be improved by promoting healthier workplace practices. Detail 2 from lines 9 and 10 can be developed as: excessive competition or fear of being overlooked should be managed by staying professional and focused. Continue to annotate the relevant details. Detail 3 from lines 12 and 13 can be developed as: if opinions are ignored or participation in decision is limited, seeking a more progressive workplace may help. Detail 4 from lines 14 and 15 can be developed as lack of experience can be addressed by asking more knowledgeable colleagues for detail. Detail 5 from lines 21 and 22 can be developed as when team members do not contribute, individuals should concentrate on completing their own task effectively and contributing positively. Continue to annotate the relevant details. Detail 6 from text B, lines 5 and 6 can be developed as under intense pressure, some people may act unethically. Instead, young workers should aim to succeed through honesty and hard work. Continue to annotate the relevant details. Detail 7 from lines 8 and 9 can be developed as competition can also cause anxiety or tempt unethical behavior, so it is important to recognize the difference between healthy motivation and harmful pressure. Detail 8 from lines 15 and 16 can be developed as when faced with overly competitive or manipulative colleagues, the best approach is to compete fairly and maintain integrity. Your response for bullet point 2 should be structured as follows. Subheading: a topic sentence that addresses bullet point 2. Developed details from 1 to 8 presented with appropriate transitions. The final draft of your article should appear as follows. Examiners use the following table to award mark out of 25 for reading based on the content of the article. Examiners also use the following table to award a mark out of 10 for writing based on the quality of the article. That's it for now. Thanks for learning tomorrow's lessons today. If you have not watched my previous videos on question 1, question 2, question 3 and question 4, please do so to gain comprehensive understanding of the IGCSE Cambridge Reading Paper 1. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Click the bell button to be notified when a new video is released.